Have you ever dreamed of creating stunning videos, but felt overwhelmed by the lack of experience? What if I told you that in just minutes, you could make professional, quality videos, no editing skills required? Welcome to LitVideo, your all-in-one AI video creation tool. Let's start with our most popular features, text-to-video. This incredible tool allows you to turn your ideas into vibrant videos with just a few simple steps. First, let's choose our video settings. We'll go with a 16:9. A duration of 5 seconds for this demo. 1080p quality and aspect ratio. Now let's type in our prompt. Hit create and watch as LitVideo's AI brings your words to life. Amazing, isn't it? LitVideo has created a beautiful video based on our text description. Now let's explore another exciting feature, image-to-video. We'll upload this image of a group of cute Labubu. Next, we'll add a text prompt. To guide the video generation, let's type, Labubu dolls are having a party. We can also customize and add beautiful music to the video. Now we'll generate the video. And see the magic happen. Incredible! LitVideo has taken our static images and created a captivating time-lapse video. Whether you rate a beginner or a pro, LitVideo helps you turn ideas into professional videos. Try it today at LitMedia.